Good morning, everyone. It's summer in the south. That's a hot time. Sometimes it's hotter than others, but now it's heat index today. Oh, Kitty said good morning, didn't you, Kitty? She said good morning, everyone. But the heat index today is 107 degrees. I feel for guys who have to work out in this mess. I say mess, but stay hydrated and take care of yourself, guys, because you can only go around this life one time. So, you know, if you abuse this old body, it's just going to take some of those years off of it. And you won't be able to make your family a living if you're in the grave. So that's where it's at. You know, we try to provide for our loved ones. So take care of yourself, guys. But I just wanted to do a quick update. We're going to put up a little deal today. We had a great day at the lake yesterday. Had a little deal. We're going to put up about an inverter for your car, and we've got all kinds of little tips. But I'm just going to talk to you guys about some of the things that our videos are doing. We have, like now, we have 128 videos, just in case you didn't know. And a lot of those videos, you can't really tell what they're about unless you do watch them. So our watch time is really growing, and our subscriber count is not where it needs to be. We're not getting very many subscribers, and I know how people click through and watch things, but you miss a lot of stuff on our videos. We don't necessarily stick to one topic all the time. I know there's channels out there who do strictly homesteading, and some of them do strictly RVing and traveling, and some of them do gardening. We're all of that, guys, and we do kayaking and that kind of stuff. So if you know someone who is interested in that kind of stuff, share our videos with them. Anyway, I hope you like this video about the booster. Thank you, guys. Well, guys, we up here at the lake today, and so we're using one of these to stay cool. We got a fan over there, and we got a little inverter. So this is really handy to have when you can't get power off your 120 house power. You can get this, guys. It's really good to have. Just want to give you a quick glimpse of what's going on today.
And there's Jace. You want to wave?
Oh, there's Jace.
Well, all righty. We're enjoying the 4th today at the lake.
Guys.
Staying cool with a fan.